So today we're going to be showing you how to install a pop-up plunger on your bathroom sink faucets. So when we're working with the parts, we'll be looking at everything that's shown right here. Got that drain assembly, the pop-up plunger itself, this rod with a wing nut, and this arm here that's got this stopper, this little plastic washer here, and this brass nut. It's also going to have this little metal piece. Now, when doing this, of course, when it's installed and it's under the sink, it's going to be a lot more difficult. But when installing it, you just want to take your plunger, make sure this opening is in line with this hole. And once that's in there, we're going to take this rod, push it through. Should feel it go into that hole and hit the back side of that brass pipe. And you want to just thread that nut down. Now before you go any further, just make sure when you push down on this rod that pop-up plunger actually lifts and lowers. What that's telling us is it's making a good connection in there, and it's actually going to work once we get everything put together. Next step after that, you want to take this little metal clip, slide it down just so one end, you're able to get one end off. And then this rod, now it's going to depend on the installment, you can see the holes all the way down that rod. One of those holes at whatever height you're needing would just slide in. You're then going to take this little metal clip, slide it back down, the way you're able to get the rod back through that hole. And that's going to keep that in place. It's not going to let it fall off of that rod. Now, this piece is then going to come up, connect to the post at the back side of the faucet that you lift to activate that plunger. That way, when you lift that piece or push it down, it's going to raise that pop-up plunger, and when you lift it, it's going to drop it back down. And then once that's put in place, of course, just tighten that down. It's going to bite into that rod and make that secure connection. And once again, this is how to install a pop-up plunger on a bathroom sink.